Michael Cardamone here once again at Northeast Factory Direct, and that means the man standing right here is the owner, Alex Nemeth. Alex, good to see you again. Now, Northeast Factory Direct, you're known for having quality hot tubs. People have loved them for years, but you've got some exciting news. You've got a new line of hot tubs. Tell us about it and why you are so excited.
So we're super excited about this line of hot tubs. Number one is people love the idea of having hot tubs, but a lot of times they're scared about the maintenance and things that are attached with it. So what we've introduced is a line of hot tubs that takes a lot of that out. This is our Caldera line of hot tubs. Not only does it have the best warranty in the business, 5-year no leak warranty, they have a patented freshwater salt system on your spa.
What's that mean for me?
So it means, number one, you don't have to change your water every month. Number two, you're not trying to figure out the pH and why your water's green all the time. And number three, it's just safer for your skin and for your health to have.
So it helps with the chemicals.
It helps with the chemicals. It helps with, you only have to change the water once a year, and it's just lower maintenance. These spas are the smartest spas out there. You can control them from your iPhone. You can see what the temperature's at. You can see if something's wrong. And as far as energy efficiency, they're as good as you can get in this part of the country, and that's important to us.
It really is. Now, let's talk about the pricing once again. I mean, because people will come in here and want this. As soon as they see them, they're going to want it. It's affordable.
So we have hot tubs starting as low as $99 a month, which is way less than some of the other fancy retail places. But really what you're getting is a very good quality product that you're going to have for 15, 20 years.
Sold me, buddy. Obviously, east side, west side, south side, or simply visit the website northeastfactorydirect.com.